Why start an online coaching business? With the advances in technology, you now have a number of different ways to connect with people across the globe. People that are looking for coaches of all kinds can now find them very easily online. They have the freedom to find a coach that will really meet their needs, who they will get on well with. There are many people looking for online coaches that have the knowledge and experience to help them. If you specialize in a niche that is in demand, such as digital marketing, then if you follow the advice in this training, you will not find it difficult to obtain clients. You need to keep them happy, of course, which we will discuss later. Does being an online coach suit you? Anybody can start an online coaching business today. That doesn't mean that it is a good fit for everybody. Do you have expertise in a particular niche? If so, then you certainly qualify as an online coach. There is no doubt that if you enjoy teaching others what you know, then an online coaching business is a great way to do it. You can set your own schedule and work whenever you want to from anywhere in the world. But you need to remember that you will always have to find new clients to make the whole thing profitable for you. There are different ways you can do this, which we will cover in a later video. It is rare that finding a small number of clients will be enough to sustain a full-time online coaching business. There are a number of courses available online that will teach you how to be a successful online coach. You can even obtain certificates from professional bodies to back up what you are doing. Online coaching is a great business to be in, but you need to be prepared to provide the highest quality service to your clients and make a significant profit at the same time. It helps you to grow. When you decide to become an online coach, it will do a great deal for your own professional and personal growth. If you are an expert in your subject, there is always more to learn, and you will be committed to doing this so that you can provide your clients with the most up-to-date and useful information. It is very satisfying to teach others what you know and to help them achieve their own goals. You will need to be a good communicator, and as you perform more coaching, you will refine your communication skills. Dealing with all different kinds of people will open your mind and help you to develop as a person. To be a good online coach, you need to be disciplined and organized. If you commit to a coaching session with a specific client at a specific time, then you have to be on time. You should plan out your coaching sessions to ensure that your clients get the best from them and feel like they have received a lot of value from you. There is good money in online coaching. Online coaches charge hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for personal coaching. If you are coaching several different people at the same time, then you can charge on a per-person basis, which will bring you in a good amount of money. Most people never turn what they know into hard cash. This is exactly what an online coach does. They are happy to provide their knowledge to others in return for a significant sum of money. Experts in the digital marketing niche can charge thousands for an hour of their time. The same goes for coaches in personal development and life coaching. When you are starting out, you will need to charge less than this, but an hour of your time can still be worth hundreds of dollars. By providing personal one-on-one attention to individual clients, they will appreciate this and will reward you handsomely for it. As long as you are providing good value, people will be happy to pay you what you want. Create your own schedule. You decide when you will work. Obviously, you need to be around when your clients are, and if they are in different countries, then you need to plan for the differences in time zones. With today's technology, you can send out reminders to your clients and use the internet for all of your coaching sessions. It is fairly easy for you to tell your clients when you are available for coaching. You need to be flexible here and make yourself available to your clients when it suits them. Some of them may have full-time jobs and only be available on weekends and evenings. What you can definitely control is the number of coaching sessions that you provide in a day. Very easy to get started. You probably have all of the tools that you need to become an online coach right now. A laptop or a desktop computer and an internet connection, and you are ready to go. Some online coaches claim that they can provide online sessions when they are on the move by using a tablet device. This is not something that we would recommend when you are starting out. Clients will expect you to communicate with them using a messenger service such as Skype, Zoom, Facebook, etc. You could offer your clients the choice of platform for your sessions. All of these services are free, and you can even record the sessions that you have with your clients. There may be a small charge for this. Everyone has email, so you can use this as another communications medium. We recommend that you set up Google Drive or some other cloud service so that you can share materials with your clients. If you need them to see video footage, then this will often be too large a file to send via email. Then there is texting. You can send text messages anywhere in the world for very little these days. If your client likes this form of communication, then ask them for their phone number and provide yours as well. We recommend that you go for the best internet package that you can for your coaching business. It is also a good idea to have a backup service as well. If your internet access is down, then you cannot provide coaching sessions. This is not going to go down well with your clients, so always have a backup plan. With high bandwidth internet access, you can hold video calls and easily share your computer screen for demonstrations, etc. Your clients will appreciate this as you are really helping them to learn what you know. Most people appreciate over-the-shoulder training. In the next video, we will discuss the mindset you need to become a successful online coach.